In this video, we'll walk through how to add and manage CMS user accounts, allowing clients or team members to log in and edit website content. CMS users are a great way to give others access to update a site without providing full administration control. These accounts are fully white labeled, meaning clients have their own editing experience with no platform branding shown. You can invite users, assign permissions, and manage access directly from your project dashboard. Let's start by adding a new CMS user. To add a CMS user, begin by opening your project from the dashboard. Once inside the project overview, scroll down until you find the Client Editing or CMS Users section. Here, you'll see any existing CMS users already added to the site. To create a new user, click the Add CMS User button. A window will appear where you can enter a username, which must be unique for that CMS user, and the user's email address. Click Create CMS User. Once the user is created, you'll be taken to the invitation email screen. From here, you can either send the invitation email as is or select Copy to Clipboard if you'd prefer to send the invite from your own email service and personalize the message. Once the user receives the invitation link, they'll be able to activate their account and log in to begin editing. For step-by-step written instructions, you can also refer to the CMS User Accounts documentation. If you've already added a CMS user to one site, you can give that same user access across additional projects. To do this, open another project, scroll down to Client Editing or CMS Users, and click Add CMS User. When prompted, enter the same username and email the user already has, and then click Create CMS User. Because CMS users are assigned at the website level, you can also give the same user different permission levels on different sites. One of the most powerful features of CMS user accounts is the ability to control exactly what each user can and can't edit. You can set permissions either during account creation or at any time afterward. To update permissions, open the project the user is assigned to. Find the user under Client Editing or CMS Users. Click the gear icon and select Update Permissions. This opens the permissions panel for that user. Inside the permissions panel, you'll see a full list of access options you can enable or restrict, including things like SEO tools, e-commerce features, republishing access, blog tools, AI features, and more. Because there are many individual permissions available, we won't go through each one in detail in this video. But I do recommend checking out our training documentation on CMS user permissions for a better breakdown. There are a few important permission relationships to be aware of, however. Enabling full editing will automatically enable the blog permission. Enabling content library will automatically enable full editing and blog permissions. These dependencies help ensure users always have the required access needed for the tools you're giving them. The gear icon menu also includes options to update the user's email address, resend the access link if the CMS user didn't receive their invitation email. You can use this option to resend that initial email, remove the user's access, or delete the CMS user entirely. One final thing to remember is that CMS users must log in using their username, not their email address. Be sure to share the correct username with your client or team member when sending the invitation. And that's how to add CMS users, assign permissions, resend access links, and manage editing access across multiple sites.